How to save an Instagram story with music to your gallery without using any third-party apps or websites. If you've tried saving a story directly from Instagram, you've probably noticed that the video saves without the music. Here's a simple workaround you can try. Open the Instagram app, then tap the messenger icon. Open any chat and tap the camera icon. Select the photo or video you want to use, then tap the music icon at the top. And select the song you'd like to add. Next, allow replay if the option is available. Send the message. After it's sent, press and hold the photo or video. Then tap More and Save. Now open your Photos or Gallery app and check the saved file. On supported accounts and eligible music, the video may be saved with the music included. Keep in mind that this method may not work for every song or account because Instagram's music features and licensing rules can vary. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe for more such content.